Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how to get the 1099 from Cash App. So how do you get this form from Cash App? So it's simply, if you open up, if you have done, like, if you have a business account, or if you have sold and made business or through Cash App, then you may be eligible to file a 1099 form, the tax form. So that's only for eligible people, only for those who are eligible, who have made business out of money. If you met the requirements, then what happens is that Cash App would send you the form through the email address registered with Cash App. So whatever email address registered with the Cash App, if you're eligible, then Cash App will send it to you, which you need to be filled in by you. So if you don't receive the form, and if you've still had a business with Cash App, then what you can do, you can try to reach out to the customer service. So go to your account settings, click on support, and then what you can do, you can simply chat with the customer support team and ask them for the form if you have not received it on your email. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this information was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.